Hello everyone friends, this is Vlad. Today I'll show how to connect speakers to a PC. Not all speakers connect the same way. I'll demonstrate using this speaker here. Okay? To connect it, as you can see, the computer has these inputs. See, my speaker is plugged into the green port there. So what you need to do is use this input for connection. I have a mini jack input that goes into the green port. There. I also have another option on the front of the computer. Let me stand up and show you. There's another mini jack input on the front panel of the computer. You can use this one too. Not sure if you can see, but there's another mini jack port here. That's all there is to it. This has been Vlad. Goodbye everyone.